Assalamu alaikum and hello all my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you the very delicious leftover rice recipe, which is tawa egg fried rice recipe, which is going to be very delicious and you can even pack it in tiffin as a lunch. So for this I have heated an iron tawa on the stove and I have added 2 teaspoons of oil into it. As the oil gets heated up, add in 1/4 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds into it. As the jeera splutters, now add in few curry leaves into it. After a minute or two, add in half cup of sliced onions. Now mix it thoroughly and allow the onions to cook it for a minute or two. After cooking it for a minute, I'm going to add in 1 sliced green chili and cook all the ingredients for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. You can even add the cut or chopped garlic cloves into it. Do not add ginger because it does not taste good. Now add in salt according to taste and 2 to 3 pinch of black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder. Now mix all the ingredients thoroughly. And now I'm going to break 1 egg and add it into it. Here I'm using only 1 egg. If you are interested, you can even use 2 or 3 eggs as per your choice. So now cover it with the lid and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. So you can see after cooking it for about 2 minutes on low flame, I'm going to take the cover or the lid out and I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder or dried mango powder for the tangy taste and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now break the egg like this as I'm showing in the video and mix it thoroughly and cook for about 1 minute. So here our masala for egg fried rice is ready. Now I'm going to add in the leftover rice into it. It is not that you can only make this with the leftover rice. In case you want to have the fried rice, you can even cook the rice and use it. This recipe goes best for tiffin. Whenever you have the leftover rice, you can prepare this very easily and eat as a healthy meal in your lunch. Now cook the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. So here almost it is done. I'm going to finally top it with few coriander leaves and give it a final mix. So cook it for 2 to 3 minutes so that it doesn't get spoiled and can stay for longer hours. Even if you pack it in the tiffin, it stays for longer hours if you cook it for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame or on high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. So here you can see our tawa egg fried rice is ready. You can even repeat the same procedure in kadhai. It is not necessary to make the same recipe in the tawa itself. Even if you are a working woman, you can take it in your tiffin too. This was the recipe for today. If you like my recipe, do hit a like button and subscribe for my channel for more such amazing recipes. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.